Hello friends and viewers, welcome you all to your channel Big Bull Trading. Today I am going to show you one strategy regarding the VWAP. How I use it in my trading system. Some of the days I will show you this strategy. But before that I will just tell you, for me the strategy what I share, I have success rate, okay, but I don't have anything which is having 100% success rate. In trading, it's a game of probability. Some days you will win, some days you will lose, but you have to trade with strict stop loss. And any strategy what I share in these videos, I will recommend first you can, if you are interested, you can do paper trading in the TradingView software. I will give the link. If you don't have the account, it's a free account in the TradingView. You can open it. First try in that paper trade, and once you are confident you can take the trade with your money, otherwise not. So without wasting any time, we will go to our strategy of VWAP trading. For this strategy, as you can see, we need 15 minutes time frame. The time frame what we will choose is 15-minute time frame, number 1, and secondly it will be number 1, it's a 15-minute time frame. Secondly, the indicator what we will be using in this is VWAP. These two things is needed for this strategy. And third, another important is the candlestick pattern. What pattern you should trade. These three things is important for this strategy. So first is the 15-minute. You need this VWAP line, and number 3 the candlestick pattern, which candles to take the trade. So first I will show you the candle patterns which you can use for taking the trade. As you can see here, I have already drawn 1, 2, 3. These 3 are for the buying. You need a pin bar, this type of candles which will be green with a tail. It can be green color, it can be red color, or it can be very thin one also for the buy. And for the sell, the same thing, but it's in the opposite direction. This is all telling, but name you don't have to memorize, you only memorize this pattern. This pattern is very important. For buying, these 3 patterns we will use, and for selling we will use these 3 patterns. So now we will go to the chart and explain this strategy. So I have opened one chart. This is 15-minute strategy, and this is the VWAP line. You can go to the indicator section and you can use this strategy. You just write here VWAP, you will get this VWAP, and you can put this strategy for taking the trade. In this strategy, what we have to do, you have to look for this type of candlestick pattern. Okay, one pattern when it's coming from here, this is like the selling pattern. So the color of the candle can be of 2 types. One is the green, other is the red. When we will take the short trade, when the candle close below the VWAP line, we can take the short trade with a stop loss above the candle. So in this example 1, you can see this type of candle, the hanging man type candle, followed by a red bar. So this tells us it can be a sell opportunity. So where we will take the trade, we will take the closing price of this. The low was 343.05. we will just take 50 paisa low and we will take the trade. So we will enter about somewhere here with a stop loss above the candle, and you can see how much profit you make in a single trade. This is in the intraday I am telling. Now I will go to the another stock, Ashok Leyland. Here you can see the same strategy. But as I have told you, if this is the pattern, this pattern is for the sell. But since this is green, we want another red candle pattern. Until and unless red candle pattern is there, this will be not activated. So with this trade, we are not taking it here. Second, you can see this is the pin bar which is formed again here. This is the same pattern what I have shown you. I will show you the picture. This type of pattern is this one. So we will take the trade above. This is 123.75 high. We will take 20 or 30 paisa above, since this is a low price share, and you can see how much big move we get in this trade. So you have to remember the pattern is very important. And in the sell side, if this comes with the green, then you want a red for the confirmation, and for the above, if this is the green, it's okay. If this pattern is formed in the red, you need another green. I will give you examples, more examples is there to learn. Now we will see another share, the ITC. In this example, you can see this is the first time the pattern is formed, but what I told you, if this is this type of pattern, you need a red candle, and you can take, now this, the sell order is activated just below this order. Okay, if you take the order here 202 and 95, you see it's not taking the order is not going in our direction, and the stop loss is hit. As I told you, you will not get 100% success in any strategy. Sometimes you will get stop loss, so you will get a small stop loss here, but again you can see you get another opportunity here, the same pin bar, so you take the trade above this candle. So once you take the trade here, and you can see, boom, how much profit you get in this trade. I will give you another example again. The same strategy works here also. See, in this strategy, this is a very thick 50-50, so this bar is not valid. This is the buy candle, but it's red. So for the buy, if this pin bar pattern is formed, what we will do, we need another confirmation with the green candle. So our order is executed above this order, so it's something around 300 with a stop loss below this candle 298.95, and you can see how much rally you get. For increasing the profit, you can trail the stop loss also. By trailing the stop loss, you can increase the profit. We always want a bigger profit, and at the time of loss, we want a smaller loss. So for loss, we always use 1 bar or 2 bar for stop losses. I will show you another example. This is for Bharat Petroleum, for example. See here, this is the same pattern for the sell, but the sell is not activated in this because we don't want only this pattern is valid, but we always, for selling, we need a red. So on this candle's low, we will take the trade for around 64.90, or suppose the close is 64.95, so it will be something around 64.40. We will take the trade something around here, and you can see how much low it makes around 458. And if you make the stop loss, trailing stop loss by 2 bar, for example, when the price comes here, you just put it the stop loss here. When the price come here 2 bar above, you can put the trailing stop loss, and this is how you can make the profit. If you want, you can trade a single share also every day and check the records. For example, for BPCL, we will go 1 day above this one. In this trade, you see, in this day, this is not valid, this is not pin bar, so this day we are not getting any trade. On the second, on the first, if you go, you can see here, this is the perfect pattern for the sale, and you get a good profit here. Here again you get a opportunity, but this is green, so you need a red. So once this is done, your stock is activated and you make a good profit here also. If you go on the 30th, whether any opportunity is there, yes, there is one opportunity. This is a 50-50 chance opportunity, but we can take this opportunity. If we take this opportunity, the stop loss is hit in this case. Sometimes your stop loss will hit, and this is a part of the game. You have to accept that one. Until and unless you accept it, you cannot make any money. This is again a good pin bar. You can take the trade directly over here. Since this is the green, you will put the stop loss and you will get a good profit here. So this is how you can take the trade and you can make money in the intraday using the VWAP. But once more again, I will tell you, if you are planning to utilize this strategy. First paper trade. If you believe in yourself, if you are confident, then only you can take the trade. So friends, if you like this video, please share it with the other friends and subscribers so everyone can learn together. We all learn together and earn together. That is our motto. As of now, for today, thank you and bye bye.